Hey guys, just a quick video to give you an update how I found a quick solution to my speakers that were like hissing and humming. It worked perfect for me, and my speakers weren't expensive. They were actually lower quality Boss speakers. So the name of the company is Besign. It's a plug noise isolator, and you put it in the back of your TV where it says aux, AUX. And then I'm going to show you after. It's going to plug into your, the other side will plug into your speakers. Hold on. So like I just mentioned, it did take a lot of time for me to do the research for this. Of course, there could be a lot of other reasons why your speakers might be humming or hissing. But I found this one here worked immediately for me. So I'm passing this on to you. Didn't even take like 2 minutes. Okay, so you see where it says step one, that's normally where you would plug in your speaker directly, but instead you're going to use this noise isolator, and you're going to put that end into your aux in the back of your TV. And at the other end, which is step two, where the other arrow is, that's going to be where you're going to plug in your original speakers. As well, it's here. Hold on, I just want to move this. Okay, it's right here. So it's Besign. So that's going to come in a small box like that. The instructions are inside along with the device, and it tells you clearly on the instructions as well. I just wanted to show this to you quickly because I spent probably 2 hours looking for a video, and I finally found one that helped. So again, thank you, YouTube.